Bye.
Okay, so we just got back home from Bed Bath & Beyond. It was a lot. All right, we are at Bed Bath & Beyond.
We as in just not. I'm here.
Me and Elisa are at Bed Bath & Beyond. We are about to find me a, I should be looking here, so let me start that over. Okay, we're at Bed Bath & Beyond. I'm about to find me a comforter and some little stuff to just finish off my room.
Okay. Oh, okay.
Oh. Ooh. Bed Bath & Beyond.
Can't see that.
You can, just a little bit. All right, we about to go in. See.
I mean, but I definitely.
I know, same. I need pillows too. You got the standard queen or king? Standard queen. I might get two then.
But I use like 3 pillows.
I know that. I'm trying to get my bed like real pillowy.
I use like 3, 4, 5 pillows.
I'm about to spend a lot of money. Probably like $60. Not in my budget, but that's okay. So I'm gonna get 2 pillows. No, I honestly think pillows might be cheaper at Target. Or Walmart. There's no Walmart near. The Walmart on 87th is not a thing anymore. We can get pillows somewhere else. So I stopped recording, but me and Elisa got a couple new little pieces for my room, and I'm gonna share. Make sure you guys like this video and subscribe. All right, here's the wait. Here is my room tour. All right, so when you first walk into my room, you have Ellie. Hi, Pop-Up. So when you first walk in, you have this plant. Sorry about my floors, they're very creaky. But you have this plant that I got from IKEA, as well as the plant holder. You have another plant here that I got from Trader Joe's. You got me? Hey. This is a pot that I got thrifting, and then this old Kodak camera, if this is gonna focus. This old Kodak camera that I also got thrifting, and then some dead flowers that I got from my sister. And then we got this beautiful, lovely, like, I don't know what you call this, but it was originally white, and then I painted it yellow. I have some separate like pictures or videos that I'll insert where I just DIY this, and I love the yellow. The pop-up yellow is everything. And then on here you have like these little bottles that I got while I was out, and then some of my books, an alarm clock that my sister gave me, and then in this little thing here is where I keep my jewelry, my perfumes, and my sunglasses. You got more books here, a little fake plant, and then that's just where I keep my laundry detergent and my toilet paper. Here's Ellie again. This little A my cousin got for me. Some more books. Don't ask me how many I've read, but... And then we got a couple shoe boxes, and then this little empty one with a sock. I typically keep this one empty because Ellie likes to sleep in that one. All right, yeah, so we got this cute little square thing that I got from Target originally. And then we got this cute rug that I got from At Home, which I love. It was only $24, so really cheap. And then we have the door where I just keep a couple jackets and a scarf and a bag, and that's it. And then here is like my little memory wall. I have like pictures from when I was younger, and then just like some things that I did, some art that I got from Paris, some like events from Nike and things like that. Then we have this little chair that I guess when people come over, they don't have to sit on my bed because I don't really like people on my bed. So I have this chair. And then this little trash can here is from Target. All right, so that is when you first walk in. And then we go over here, and then I have this closet with this mirror. Here am I. Hey. And then inside of this closet, which isn't that cute, but I have like my toiletries. I keep some shoes. Oh, this cute little thing I got from Barcelona. I keep like clothes that aren't that cute in here, and then I have like these drawers that are a mess, and they have like makeup, papers, more product. Yeah, so that's the closet. A pretty big closet. And then me again. And then here we have this cute rack that I keep like my really cute clothes on that I'll wear when I'll go out. And then we have this plant that I actually got from, so I live in an apartment complex, and in our laundry room, when people are moving out, they just put things that they don't want there. So I got this plant from there. And then I keep a couple of cute heels, and then like my Sakai's I keep there because they're like my cute going out shoes. Yeah, and then at the bottom here I have like more shoes that I don't wear because I don't go anywhere, but yeah. So that's this rack, which I absolutely love. I think it's so cute. It's like the cutest little piece to my room. From this rack, we move over to this window that I like to keep open in the summer. Yeah, just to hear outside in the breeze. And then I have these two side tables that I got from my grandma, actually. We have them in our house for a very long time, since I was little. So maybe not since I was little, but for a while. So I got these two side tables, and then this wall that I love. So I do live in an apartment, and we are allowed to paint our walls, but we obviously have to paint them back before we move out. But my cousin helped me paint this. It is so beautiful. So it goes from like the floor to the ceiling, and it took us about probably like 2 to 3 hours to do this, only because it's a little corner, so it's not that bad. And then I have another chair, which oftentimes gets used as like where I throw my purse, and I throw all of the stuff that you know, when you come in from outside and you just need somewhere to throw stuff, I throw it there. And then we have all of my plant babies and some makeup brushes. I literally love all of my plants. So, fun fact, each of these plants were gifts. Like, if you really want to be a plant mom for cheap, you should ask your friends for a piece of their plant, and then just pot it and let it grow. So yeah, there's my plants. And then we have this art piece, which doesn't fit in the frame, but I still like it here. Like it's an aesthetic, it's a vibe. I got the frame from my mentor, and then I got the art piece from Urban Outfitters. In Chicago, we have the Urban Outfitters surplus store, and that's where you can get like things from Urban Outfitters for really cheap. I got this probably like my freshman year of college, so I don't know how much this was. Sorry. And I can't link it either. And then here I have this little lamp that I also think was thrifted. And then I have this cute little Sonos speaker here. You can't even tell that it's a speaker, but it gets extremely loud. And it kind of like, it's so incognito that like you can play music, but you don't have a speaker that actually shows. So I will link that as well. And then we have this tree, which is growing like crazy, that honestly needs to be repotted. And then over here, we have another tree. This was also a gift. It started out as a little baby leaf, and then I repotted her, and now look at her. And then I have this like messy side table that was also gifted to me from my mentor. All right. And then something that I really love in this room are these hanging lights. I got these from Home Depot. I actually have these linked down below. And you have to buy the light bulbs and the sockets separately. I don't really like them because they use so much electricity that it can honestly blow a fuse in our apartment. So I like only really light them on special occasion. And honestly, by special occasion, I mean when I feel like it. All right, next we have the bed. We have this beautiful art piece that I got from World Market, which I love. It is so cute. It doesn't look that big, which it looks really big in person, but from here it doesn't look that big. It was about $50, which I don't think is that bad because, let's see if I can go up to it. It's like textured. So the art piece is textured, and then I really love the wood. It like definitely goes with my room. So we have that, and then we have my little pillow. What do you call it? I don't know. But all of my pillows, since I have like this yellow thing, I really wanted a pillow that like popped. But then I also needed like that green pillow just to like bring it all together. I don't know if y'all get the vision, but yeah. What's wrong? What's wrong? Yeah, you threw up on my carpet. You threw up on my carpet. You should get kicked out. Actually, you are. Adios. Okay. But yeah, this was very short and sweet. But this is my room. I absolutely loved it, and I've worked so hard on it. All right, I know that was really short and sweet, but my room honestly isn't that big. And I'm trying to go for like the minimalist vibe, so I don't have many things in here. But make sure to like and subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.